Leave behind what's not for you and bring only memories worth keeping, like the encounter you'll have in Aloleng Beach. In only 15 minutes from the town proper, this 4.7-kilometer long nature's wonder will leave you much to your imagination.
Spend the night and enjoy the coastal wind by the sea when you check in at accommodations available along this stretch of Aloleng Beach. Rates start at 2,500 pesos up to 12,000 pesos depending on size, services, and facilities offered.
Take a side trip to Bangul Crags in less than 10 minutes from Aloleng Beach. A walk through rocky terrains and wide meadows. Your experience will be even more interesting with the view of tall waves splashing through big boulder rocks depending on the weather. Nevertheless, the wide endless sea behind, it is already a sight to behold.
Yung Bangul taken from kasi kapag may weather disturbances, malakas yung yung waves na humahampas doon sa mga malalaking tipak ng bato, which is the crags. And kapag humampas siya, merong sounds na lumalabas. And another thing is yung hugis kasi ng bato na yung crags na tinatawag natin is para siyang bungo. So meron siyang dalawang mata na parang may ilong. So from that point, naging Bangul ang tawag nila as time passes by. So Bangul plus yung bato is Bangul Crags.
When you go back home, take with you photographs and memories of the shimmering silver sands of the Aloleng Beach, the bright blue waters that lead to the West Philippine Sea, and the fun little facts and novelty stories of the friendly locals.